So what I'll do is to look at the IP details. So Microsoft Defender by default will also investigate and tell you where the IP is coming from. So here you can see the IP details. The ISP is Microsoft Corporation, and then the region is Sweden. This is the state, Gothenburg. I'm jacking up the name, so the city here. So we can see where this sign-in is coming from Sweden. So what I'll do is I'll copy this IP address and then investigate it further. I'll go to AbuseIPDB. That's where I went, and then I pasted the IP to see whether it has been reported by other vendors. Right. So it also confirms what Microsoft Defender said, that the domain name is Microsoft.com, the country is Sweden, and the state is the same. And then here we can see IP abuse reports. This IP has not been reported, right? So this has not been reported. That doesn't mean it's not malicious. So I'll also go to VirusTotal to confirm. I'll paste the IP in the link here, in the space here, and then click enter. Then after VirusTotal does its thing, scans the IP, I'll go to details and then see it says for Microsoft Corporation, the region is from Sweden, continent is Europe,